I want to talk a little bit about self-directed IRAs. We get several questions for investors saying, you know, I've got my IRA, my 401k for my former employer rather. I want to put it in an IRA, but what can I do with it? What most people do with IRAs is they invest it in the stock market or the bond market through Vanguard or Fidelity or, you know, John Hancock, whatever platform they invest in. And that's a very traditional way to invest in an IRA. There's something called a self-directed IRA, and that's where there's a couple other steps that you go through to get your money so that you, as an individual, can decide, I want to invest my money in this. I want to buy a house. I want to buy a piece of art. I want to buy a piece of commercial real estate. I want to invest in Precision Capital. See how that works? So the way it works is you hire a custodial company. It used to be years ago, these cost thousands of dollars a year, and there was all sorts of red tape, and it just wasn't worth it. But now they've gotten so streamlined that even regular people like us, not the top 1% of the 1%, can take advantage of this self-directed IRA. So if you have questions, and one question before I go that I always get is, well, my IRA, I have $100,000 in it. Is that worth investing? I look at it in general, and I'm not a tax accountant or your tax advisor or financial advisor, so you should talk to yours. But my rule of thumb is that there's not $50,000 to $75,000 to invest. The fees that you pay may be an offset, so not to bother with. So, $50,000 or more, give Pam or Darcy a call. They can kind of walk through the steps. They actually take care of the paperwork for you. They did it for me last week, and I'm like, yes, this is easier than I thought. So if you're interested in exploring a self-directed IRA, have questions, give us a call. We'll see if we can help.